They're all just popping on now.
Hi, this is Robbie from Southern California, and it's getting dark. And that is a solar light bulb. Isn't that cool? So, are solars good? I've had a lot of questions on solars. Let's walk through before the sun goes down completely, and I'll give you a rundown on some of the solar lights that are burning in my garden. Now we've got 4 lights here, as you can see. I prefer the plain ones because they look really like a real light bulb. Is that too cool? And then there's a red one back there. These 4 solar lights I bought at the dollar store, paid $1 for them, and they have been going for 6 months now. Now I've got another solar light, let's step back here, that's back there. Now that one is not from the dollar store. That solar light was picked up at, was either Lowe's or Home Depot. It was at the end of summer. They also came out to be about $1 a piece, but they were much more money. They're doing really good, but they're not that old. But these lights are at least, I'm going to say they're about 7-8 months old, and they're going pretty good. Now, I do have some that are not working, and I'll show you. See these? They look like candy canes. Okay, those are now, I think those are 3 years old already. Those are gone. Now, I could take them apart. They actually have interchangeable batteries. It's not worth it. The battery's going to cost me maybe not $1, but the thing is they're out here. They're probably corroded. So they're gone. Here's more. Pretty much all the ones I bought that are light bulbs are doing really, really well. Now, it's got some water in it, but it doesn't seem to affect it. There is an on and off switch inside. You can unscrew it and turn it on and off. They're all in the on position. I'm actually amazed they're all going because, as you can see, we've been kind of like cloudy today, and it was dark, but it still had a little bit of sun. So they did charge up enough. Now they have a sensor, so during the day, of course, they're not on. They will not turn on until the sun goes down. Once the sun goes down, it gets quite dark, or if maybe heavy shade fell upon them, they may turn on, but usually they don't even go on until the sun goes down. I think they're all working. I had one that was over a year old, and I gave it to my sister. She wanted it so bad, she loved it. She didn't ask for it, she loved it. And I thought, I know where to get them. I always keep an eye on the dollar stores, and so I gave it to her, and then I called her when they got them in this year, and she ran and bought a whole bunch. Here's more. Again, these are about 7-8 months old because I got them in the beginning of the year when they started bringing in the garden supplies. They do it pretty much right after Christmas, and you got to grab them because sometimes they don't get them in again. So they're doing really, really well. Now, this is the one. The candle, look at that. It looks like, again, the candy cane. That one's almost 3 years old. Go figure. That one is working. I don't know. It's kind of a hit and miss. We had another one that was in our front yard, and we could not believe it worked for 8 years. In fact, I think it's still working. 8 years. We bought it so long ago. Maybe they were better 8 years ago. There's another one that's about 3 years old because I didn't buy any last year or this year. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So it is going to depend on the individual solar lights. And, they're so cheap. So if they last for at least 6 months, or through the summer when you want them, in your garden, and I think it's okay. There's another one up there. Every single one is working. And like I said, these have been about 3 years old. I think they're going to be 3 years old now. And so a few of them are still working. That one is not. There's one over there. See, that one's not working. I just have to take them down. I really need to toss them out. And then again, I picked up these. It was either Home Depot or Lowe's. They had them on clearance. At the end of summer, or when they start getting rid of their summer items and they start bringing in Halloween and Christmas things, they blow everything out so cheap. So do I like my solar lights? I do like my solar lights. Isn't that cool? Like I said, these were more expensive. I think there was 6 in a package. It was unbelievable. 6 in a package, and they normally sell for like $20, $25. And I could not believe they had them marked down to $5. So we bought 2 boxes, maybe 3 boxes of them, because Gary's got them in his garden too. But all in all, I really like these little light bulb ones. even though they seem to get a little water sometimes inside from all the rain we've had, wind and rain, it doesn't affect them. They light up quite nicely, and they've been all doing really, really well. So I hope I've answered the question on the solar lights. Some of them do take AAA batteries that work on solar power. So you can go buy them online and buy the batteries. And I've tried that once before. It was okay. But all in all, I think it's cheaper just to buy the new ones in the spring. If you've got a few of them that aren't working, just pick up a few new ones. Hang them up where you want them. And like I said, my favorite is the one that looks like a real light bulb. You can get really fancy. Go get yourself some sort of light fixture and hang them up outside, and it would look really, really cool. Right now, I just hung them around. So I really do like my solar lights. Isn't that cute? And when it's really, really dark, I know on the camera the sky looks blue, but it's actually very dark. And it's really nice because I can walk through and see where I'm going with just some solar lights. So is it worth it to invest? Yeah, spend $10. Go to the dollar store, look them over. If they look in fairly good condition, built well, and I think the light bulbs are built really well, pick them up. If you go to the dollar stores, do check around because they have another one that's made out of glass. These are plastic and they're really heavy and they want $3 for them. I don't want to hang up heavy glass light bulbs, even though they may be solar. I want them light and I want them for $1. And I think the ones that are for $1 are made much better. And there's the solar panel right on the top. And when the sun shines, it charges up. This has a very small battery in it. It doesn't have a AAA battery. So if they burn out by spring, so I'll pick up another 10 or something and hang them around. So yes, I do love my solar lights. I think they're really creative. I don't have to plug them in. I can stick them anywhere I want. As long as the sun is shining, they will get some power from the sun, and it doesn't cost me anything, just the initial cost of buying them. So with that, have a great day. I hope I gave you some thoughts on solar lights, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye, everybody.